Hi, it's kind of been a while since my last LOONA reaction, so sorry if you're subscribed to me for that specific reason. So I'm going to watch the rest of the music videos, and I think I'm going to try to watch as much as I can. So probably at least some of the sub-unit videos too. I hope this video isn't like super long. I mean, I guess I could make it really long, which would be fine, except I wouldn't be able to fit all the titles in the video title. I don't know. I guess we'll see. This one is Jinsoul singing in the rain, and I think the last one I watched was Eclipse from Kim Up, right? Okay. I've been watching some of their LOONA TVs, and they're all adorable. Alright. Oh, that was a little acidic. Oh, also I have new hair. Not a boy, but hi. Oh, she's really pretty. It looks like a goldfish bag, but without the goldfish. It's kind of awkward looking, but I like it. The subtitles are all caps. I love her hair. I really like her voice. She sounds like a stable singer. Ooh, I like this. No, this kind of sounds Western. Can I be honest though? She kind of looks like a weak dancer. Here are all the goldfish. Is her role the rapper in the group? Or one of the rappers? That's a nice sound effect, or vocal effect. I love her outfit. Ooh. Wasn't it Eclipse was red, right? Yes, it was red. So it's her color blue, her color's blue, okay. You know, it'd be nice if she had like blue tips in her hair. I really like this video. I guess I probably definitely prefer these kinds of videos to the pretty nature ones in the other videos. I can't tell if there's like a deeper meaning behind this other than like the stylistic parts and the little hints to other LOONA videos. I really like her voice. You know what I wish? I wish there was another member in this. Oh, that's beautiful. Is this the bridge? Oh, nice. So I wish the bridge had a little bit more, there's something else. Or like a nice little long rap part. Okay, this is definitely a giant hit because whenever I see Converse, very aesthetic. No idea what that says. Blackberry Creed. Okay, before I get to the next video, Yeah, I really liked that video. It was, I personally prefer the clips more, but I also like this one. The song, I really liked it at the beginning, but after a while it kind of sounded like the same thing. That's why I wish it had like another member introduced to do some of the rap, or like if she had her own just rap part like at the bridge or something, it would have been nice. Let's see who. See, I've been kind of. I don't know if I've listened to them, but I feel like they showed up in my autoplay and maybe I like switched to something else. Sweet Crazy Love. Yeah, I've been meaning to watch Girlfriend and Sweet Crazy Love. Or not meaning to watch it, but listen to it, but also meaning to watch it. So, Eve. Okay, I think someone said I've been saying Evie, but it's Eve, right? Or Eves? No. This looks like Vivi's plus the characteristic LOONA shot. She's one of the main vocalists, right? See, she seriously looks like Sully to me. And that looks like in YYXY, right? Yes, that was a little, I guess, hint. I'm not gonna, can that be foreshadowing? I guess. Cause LOONA I can't remember the actual order of it. But that was the last subunit introduced, right? Okay. I think the setting was an eclipse too. But she's wearing white. Is her color white, or is her color just not shown yet? Sorry, I haven't been reading the subtitles. So that means that they shot this like either at the same time or before the YYXY. So I'm probably saying that differently, I'm sorry. This just looks like a compilation of hints. That's so religious. Is she the oldest one? Or the second oldest? She's one of the older ones, right? Her voice sounds pretty young though. Yeah, I haven't been seeing much of like her own music video in this. She's really pretty. See, this sounds kind of Western too. So far to me, she's okay, this is kind of a hater, but she's been kind of just like one of the in-between members. Is that Vivi? That is right. Okay, yes. That's kind of gay. Oh, I like the falsetto. That's really gay. Oh, that's so gay. Look at her. See, the thing is, like, someone kind of intimated in the comments on my Vivi video because I complained about being really straight. And they were like, oh, I'm not gonna say anything, so they're probably alluding to this. Oh, I know there's another Vivi music video, right? And I think she okay, not her, but Jinsol, I think, made a cameo. That was cute. I really liked that. Especially the end, because it was really gay. But, yeah, I didn't really see much of her own style in this, except... Yeah, no, I really didn't. Yeah, I really didn't. Okay. Like, if someone could say... Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, on to the next one. See, I already watched Egoist, and then I kind of feel like watching it again. But I don't think I'm going to. But then Olivia, I guess, I feel like she didn't really grab me until after Love Forever. But even after that, I don't remember. But I think she's my favorite now. I'm unsure. Okay, she's my favorite right now, but I feel like that could change. I think I've seen Heart Attack, but I don't remember. I think I saw it because it was gay, like way before I ever looked into LOONA. But since I don't remember, I'm gonna watch it again. Plus, she's like the main vocalist, right? I mean, people say it's Hassel, and Hassel is, but then Hassel got like no lines in Hi Hi. So, and someone told me that Orbits think that they're trying to push the more popular members first. I don't know. I think that's kind of stupid, but 10 o'clock. Oh, this is so cute. I love her. Oh, I have seen, or at least I've heard the song. Damn. She really is a great singer. Oh my god. She has a crush on you. I love their outfits. I really like this. This is kind of creepy, actually. Oh, this is so cute. Yes, I think Eve and Chu's music videos more allude to their subunit. Who else was a white and red? That was Eclipse too, right? Green. I can't tell what her color is. She's so cute. Okay, I bet like the explanation to this was like she's a big influence or something. That's so gay. Oh, she's so cute. Did she promote this solo? Oh, she is a great singer. Hassel was like undoubtedly the main singer, right, until Chu came along. Or at least until Chu was, her member was released into the group. So it kind of sounds like Untake though. I like this bridge. That's a bridge, right? Is it? It could be a bridge. It's like in the middle though. With the freaking apple. It's like the Garden of Eve reference, right? Or something like that. That's so sad. It just turned red. Aww. Are they together now? Oh, great singer. This is too gay, honestly. Oh, she's so pretty. They're so pretty. Was that a space reference? Is that like why they're called orbits? Oh. Is that Hassel? That's Hassel, right? Yes. I don't know what that's alluding to. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, Hassel's music video. I do remember a part where she was like in this type of snow setting that was different from her other part that was in the, I don't know, where that landscape that kind of looks like Iceland. Maybe it's Greenland. Aren't they like switched? I don't remember. Yeah, that video was really gay. And then the end, when she was woken up, it kind of looked like that's Eve, right? I don't remember. Or is that Hassel? Couldn't tell if she was like just woken up or she was, can I say baptized? I mean, there were like some religious elements, so maybe. But that's snow, that's not water, so maybe not. Okay. Anyway. Go on. And this is, yeah, she's the last member that I have not seen. Yeah, she's a part of the subunit too. Okay. I've never seen her with dark hair. She's so cute. She's one of the youngest members, right? Is she? She kind of looks like Olivia with dark hair. Okay, so... Wait. She has light hair right now, right? So she probably went through a lot to get that light hair. She didn't really jump out to me in the subunit. Maybe because her parts were kind of just like little, I wouldn't even call them ad-libs, but I really like this. Oh, her voice is so cute. Oh, rap. Okay, I can see why people like her now. Oh, Blackberry likes using the silhouette image. I love her with dark hair. I think I can say that about everyone though. Was this sounding higher? I think it was. Though, See, I don't really remember EOS, but I have to assume that they all alluded to their subunit in their music videos. So does that mean that the other members alluded to their subunits in their music videos? Because I haven't seen the other subunits. Who's the other person? I saw Chu. Maybe that was Eve. Wait, it probably had to have been Chu and Eve, right? Because Olivia wasn't released at this point in time. Okay. Oh, this song is really cute. Oh, that's so cute. It's a nice image. Oh, that was a pretty short song. And then, so yeah, and then Olivia's was introduced, and then YYXY. Okay. Okay. I guess I can watch the subunits now. See, I'm supposed to do it in order. I don't really want to do it in order though, because I want to watch Sweet Crazy Love and Girlfriend. Can I just watch Sweet Crazy? I'm gonna watch those. Yeah, I'm just gonna watch Free Crazy Love. Sorry. Oh, black. Ooh. Wait, who is in this again? Does not say. Is that Kim Lip or Jinsol? I can't tell who that is. I love when they do black and white. That's Kim Lip, right? Yes. Hi. Say I love this song already. She's so charismatic. That's Jinsol. Yes, yes. Hyunjin? Yes. Oh, is it just 3? For some reason that's surprising, just because I don't really see Hyunjin as, I guess, with those two. But I also kind of only see those two as like their own subunit. Oh, I like this song. See, I can't tell their voices yet. Because this song is a little sweet. Yeah, and I can't remember Eclipse and Singing in the Rain, like how the... Wait, no, I think I can remember Jinsol's voice though. No idea who that is. I love this black and white, the images are really nice. It's a little scary. They're all alone. Okay, whenever I see this image, that reminds me of Loneliness. Was this before? This was before her. Wait, no. Was it before? It was probably after her. Yeah, so it had to have been after hers. Oh, she was holding the bag of water. Is that Hyunjin's voice? Yes, because she's singing. Okay. I kind of wish the choreography was more intense. Ooh. I mean, that's a little sexy. Blue! Hyunjin's like not the official visual, people think she is, right? Here's that like Converse. Was this before Cherry Motion was released or after? I think it was probably after. That looks like favorite. I feel like the compilation of hints of the LOONA videos are just like See, I always feel like they're backup dancers of other members, but they're not. I like how she strutted just to pick up her backpack. Odd eye circle. What does that mean? I don't know. Is she the main member of this? Can there be a main member of a subunit? I guess, yeah, I guess there can be. Oh, I like that song. I really like that song. See, what are the other ones I should watch? Oh, there. No. Oh wait, I've seen Love Cherry. Okay. Have I seen? Yes, I've seen. I don't remember it though, which is probably a bad sign. LOONA 1-3. I should watch one of the LOONA 1-3, right? because I haven't seen any of them. And it looks like the first subunit. The other one's just kind of, I guess that can be a duet. Yeah, let's just watch one of the LOONA 1 out of 3. Which one should I watch? I'm probably gonna choose the wrong one. Love and Live. Looks very bright. You and Me Together also looks very bright. Looks like a special MV though. Sonatine, Sonatine? Summertime? I like, I think I've seen this one mentioned more though. So let's watch this one. Hyunjin. Oh, she's in 2 subunits? Oh, wait, was this the first one? Okay, so it only has members that were already released then, right? Vivi and Heejin? I've kind of missed Heejin. Oh, she has a great voice. She's really pretty too. This kind of sounds like Let Me In. And I mean, it is Hassel, so. She's so pretty. Someone said I look like her. Or not necessarily look like her, but I have like similar eyes to her. Isn't she monolated though? Yeah, she is. Oh, I've never heard her voice like that. Oh, she's really pretty. She's really pretty. Maybe because I don't know them well enough, but the members in each subunit surprise me because I don't see them together. Well, I see some members together. This sounds like Let Me In. That's really cute. Yeah, this is a nice difference to the previous choreographies that I've seen. Oh, I really like her. I like her voice too. I think they're both growing on me still. Hassel, people said she was like an opera singer, right? She looks so good in this music video. I never realized how pretty she was. She's always pretty, so. Hyunjin looks very Korean. I love her flavor in this. I've probably seen Vivi with a different hair color, but I don't remember. I don't think I've seen any hints of this. The only things I've seen are like, yeah, other members like videos that have already been released. But it mostly sounds like Let Me In. To the point where I'm surprised that I haven't heard other things. I really liked it though. Yeah, it was nice to hear the other members. Hassel was definitely my favorite in this one though. I feel like she doesn't get enough screen time in their LOONA TVs though. Should I watch another of that music or of that subunit? See, I was interested in this one only because it has rain in the title. Sure, let's watch it. No same. See, I like this already because it's kind of dark. That's the first. Okay. Playback. This feels very 90s. Feels very karaoke. I don't know if I can say 90s because I think karaoke rooms mostly have this kind of setting still. I'm glad I chose this. This is so cute. Oh, I like her voice in this. I think it suits it the most. Oh, she really stretched her voice for this one. This is so cute. I think their vocals are a little stronger than what I would imagine for the instrumental. This is so cute. Oh, every day I love you, I'll be there. Singing in the rain. She's so cute. This was... I think this was after those were already released, like, in that little time sequence. Oh, this song is so good. The music video is pretty simple though. I mean, I kind of like that. It's just hard to comment on it. Tell how good Vivi's vocals are yet. I think her voice is really cute, I think, from what I remember. But it's also like, cause she's a foreign member, so. Cause it sounds like Hyunjin really stretched her voice for this one to try to match Hasu and Heejin. Like she's still growing as a singer. Sorry, there's like a hair on my face. Oh, stop! I thought it was really cute. That was the second ballad? I think that's only the second ballad that I've seen, right? But when I say ballad, I mean like a heart-wrenching ballad. Or, I mean, I want a heart-wrenching ballad. Let's see. Should I just watch as many as I can? I think I really liked the film version, or not the film, the original music video of Around You, but I haven't seen the film version. I'll be there. Maybe I'll watch this one because I still haven't, or Yojin still hasn't, I guess, I don't know, she still hasn't captured my eye, I guess, even though I watched her music video. It was just like really cute, and she's like the youngest member, right? That's probably why too. I don't know, I'm old, so I don't know which one I want to watch. Such girlfriend. I love the black. I forget who's. Okay, it's Kim the Gentle and. God. And I just watched those two. This is very LOONA, this backdrop. Is it Eve? I know someone surprising. Oh, nice. See, I feel like I could mention the you know, the images of the other music videos. I've said them so many times that it's like obvious already. No, Hyunjin. Okay. That's why she was a surprise. I can't tell if it's like her vocals are hesitant or if it's just like her vocal tone. Oh, I like this song. Oh, I like this song. I feel like I might have heard this already though. It probably came on like autoplay. It's nice to see this side of Hyunjin. This was... What was the carnival in? Was that an eclipse? She's really growing on me. Oh, her voice is really cute, actually. Oh, this song. Oh, I really like it. I haven't listened to any of their B-sides, but I hear they're really good too. Oh, there was one that I think I saw that I wanted to hear, but I don't remember the name of it. I think I'll try to look it up after this. Even though I should probably watch the rest of the music videos first. Was it Jinsoo Chu that picked up the bag at the end of their other music video, or was that Kim? Oh, she's so pretty. I wonder how much they get paid for their sponsorship. Oh look, it's LOONA. That's so childish. I like that backdrop. What are you looking at? Is that Jinsoo? Is that Kim looking at Jinsoo? What else? Was that the start of their other music video? It probably was. Unless it was the start of this one. No, it's the start of this one. Never mind, JK. Okay, I think I'm done with the music videos, but I'm gonna look up whatever. Okay, I'm gonna listen to One Way. I've just been going through their going through my suggested for LOONA B-sides, and I saw this just because I was looking for a B-side. That was Rosy. Yes, I was looking for Rosy, and then I saw this one, and I was reading through the comments, and it sounded, or people said it sounded like an OST, and I listened to like the first 2 seconds, and it's a ballad, and I love ballads, so let's go. Apparently Eve is really great in this. Olivia is really cute. She's probably my bias right now. I can see why people mentioned Eve. Oh. Is there like a really good English speaker in LOONA? This is happier than I thought it would be. Oh, it has that LOONA sound. I really like her voice. So I think Goa needs more time to actually, I don't know, express her talent. Have they gotten paid yet for their work? They're already like pretty up there as far as the group rankings go in sales, at least from what I've seen. Main vocals. Yeah, I definitely can be seeing or hearing it in a drama. Eve's voice. Oh, I didn't know she was that good of a singer. Oh, her voice is really delicate, I really like. How many other songs are in the, I'm assuming it was like a mini album that the subunit released, right? That's so cute. Oh, I felt that. It seems like a pretty equal line distribution, which is nice. It's also, I mean, it is like a 4-member group, so it would be crappy if there wasn't a good line distribution. But yeah, that really showcased Eve's vocals. And she was like, I mean, we already know I wouldn't say it showcased her vocals though, but it was probably more of a tone thing. Okay. This is Rosy, and this is gonna be the last one that I listen to. So, they all look really pretty. I really like going with dark hair. Nice, Olivia starting the song. Oh, I love her voice. Is Goen's voice like, I guess, the cutest one? That's what it sounds like. Oh wow, Heejin hasn't come in yet. This is a cute song, I like it. Heejun. Not where I thought it would go. Cause it was more of a drop. What is that called? Do people call that a minor forward? That's so surprising. Heejun hasn't come in yet. Oh wait, I think I read in the comments that she does like a really killer rap though. Yeah, I can see why she's the center. I can imagine her facial expressions actually. If they performed this. Their voices go really well together. This is a really cute song. Oh, is nothing happening here? Okay. I kind of wish something happened there, but unless that was like a dance break, which it could have been. Wait, no. That wouldn't really make sense for a B-side though. Her voice is so delicate. Pretty whimsical actually. Solid B track. It's really simple, but it's like really nice too. Okay. That will be the end of this LOONA video. I don't remember how many videos I've watched quite a few, right? Yeah, I'll finish the rest of the subunits later, and I think there are a few, I guess they would be called duets, right? Duets. Yeah, I'll look forward to them. You should look forward to them too, I guess. Thanks for watching this.